Hola Amigos, we are The Roots. In this vlog, we are sharing with you the ups and downs of our mission to travel and experience as much from life as possible. Please join us on this our journey. So, Mr. Root, what are we doing now?
On today's episode, we're tiling the master bathroom and texturing the walls. Joy. Hello there. So what we're working on today is the shower. We discovered that when they built the shower back in the day, when the house was built, they basically tiled right on top of drywall. So as we were doing demo work on the other side of the wall, Laura decided she was going to touch the drywall, and her finger went all the way through and touched tile. And basically tiles were falling off inside the shower. So we had to do a complete demo. In here, we removed the floor, took all the walls off, we resheeted it with hardy backer, and then we went through a whole process of waterproofing it. As we went through the process of waterproofing it, we discovered there's a lot of issues if you don't do it correctly. You can have the floor float up, you can have water leaks, a variety of things can happen. We don't really want to have to deal with that down the road. We're tired of building this house, if you get my drift. So what we're going to do today is put this final row of tile in, and then we're going to start to retile the floor in the shower, and then we'll work our way up the walls and the niche and the curb right here. So interesting process with the hardy backer. They sell a waterproof membrane called Schluter-Curdy, and we decide, oh, this is going to be great. And then after watching some videos, there are actually quite a few problems with that if you don't waterproof it in the end. So this nice green color here and brown color, you'll see is a waterproofing agent. Actually works out pretty good. So.
And what's installed on the top of the Schluter, which is that orange?
That's the waterproof membrane.
The waterproof
from
membrane.
Schluter. So what we did is we used thin set, applied the Schluter-Curdy membrane, and then we came back over the top of that and used a waterproofing compound. And pretty much we have a tank, a waterproof tank in here.
Yay. Okay,
Then
so
we don't have to worry about leaks down the road.
so tell them what happened with that last row, baby.
So what we needed to do in the beginning was actually bring this next row of tile right up flush to the curb. But you can see there's kind of a big gap there. And that would have been our water leak issue. As water comes out of the shower, you get out of the shower, you're soaking wet, or you leave the door open, whatever the case may be, all that water would have migrated out into the other bathroom and then into the wall, and then the drywall would just turn to crap again.
Yeah.
And we're trying to avoid that. So we're just going to replace this last row of tile, get that cleaned up, and then on we go.
Install it again, the right way. Right? Okay.
We'll get
Okay.
it done.
So let's get on it.
Okay,
Okay.
let's go.
Let's go.
There was a little bit more grinding involved here, of course. And, of course, cutting tiles. Tons and tons of tiles. We previously teach the girls how to tile and grout, so it was awesome to have them help us on this. Because between you and I, my back and my knees were absolutely killing me by now. Now, tiling the bathrooms, that was a job for Brian and me only. Although they help us to clean and grout, but the actual tiling was done by Brian and me. tiling bathrooms is truly an art, and it can be very easy screwed up. We managed though to, at the end, make it look decent. Everybody pitch in, everybody help one way or another. Again, tons and tons of cutting of tiles. And then was time for more masking and more modding of the drywall. Oh yeah, Brian had fun sanding the walls.
So show me.
Ready?
Wow. Yeah, our bedroom is covered on this white stuff.
Watch the math. So I need to give you these because I can't see anything.
Wow. Yeah, I can see you cannot see anything. Look at that.
Oh my.
Wow. Awesome.
If you say so.
So what are we doing, baby?
Well, now I have to disassemble the filter because,
That's the sander?
yeah, the filter for the sander, it was completely full.
Great. That explains why you were covered in white crap all over. So shake your arms a little bit. No, but just with your hand. Wow. Okay. Okay, go keep going. You need your glasses? Let me clean them
I
up.
will, yes.
What are you doing?
Loading the hopper for the texture gun.
So we're spraying the bathroom today. Awesome, finally.
Did we mention that we had to retexture the walls of the entire house? Well, we did. We don't have video of that, but let's just say that that was pretty much a brutal, time-consuming, labor-intensive work. We all participated. Not necessarily have fun at it, but we all work on it.
Okay, so here we are, the final product of the bathroom. This is the little bathroom, of course. No, it's small, but mighty. Let's see. That's it. Cover the tile in the back. Right now we're gonna keep it with the curtain. Eventually we're gonna put a slider door in there, glass sliding door. Right now, it's just very simple. And that's it. Oops, sorry. There you go. And that's it. So we're not gonna show the master bedroom because we decided that we're going to extend the house on that direction. So our master bathroom is halfway done because we're gonna demo and extend it and add a shower and make a private, and we're gonna make a private water room, with the toilet. But that will be for another video. For now, this is the end of the guest bathroom remodel. That's it. Very simple. Looks much better than what it was before. That's it. Okay. See you next video. Bye.
Thank you for hanging out with us today. Please give us a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. And until next time, hasta luego, amigos.